Hello and good day to everyone. Today we will discuss how law can act as an instrument of change. Law do more than punish wrongdoings. Law influence how people think, behave and act with one another. Through a few examples, we will go over how legal reforms have helped shape safer and more responsible behaviors in our society.
Law acts as both a formal rulebook and a catalyst for societal change. It sets enforceable standards, shifts public expectations, and gradually reshapes behavior, values, and norms over time. By codifying, it guides action, provides remedies, and eventually normalizes new ways of living.
Another example is the rear seat belt requirement under the Road Transport Act 1987, which is compulsory in Malaysia in 2009. Before this law, many rear seat passengers did not wear seat belts because they believed they were only necessary for front passengers. This led to more serious injuries and death during road accidents. The famous example is the death of Princess Diana in 1997. Report found that she and another passenger were not wearing seat belts and experts believed they could improve their chances of survival. This tragedy increased global awareness about road safety. After Malaysia introduced the law, wearing seat belts became a normal safety practice. The law changed people's behavior, increased compliance, and helped reduce serious injuries and fatalities in road accidents. Thank you.
Another example is the 2020 amendment to the Road Transport Act 1987 on drunk driving. Malaysia introduced stricter penalties after several fatal accidents caused by drunk drivers. One well-known case was the death of foodpanda driver Muhammad Zali Muhammad, who was hit by suspected drunk drivers in Kuala Lumpur. The incident sparked public outrage and influenced the government to strengthen the law. The higher fines and longer prison sentences discouraged drunk driving and improved road safety. Today, more people choose ride-hailing or designated driver after drinking, showing how the law has changed public behavior.
In conclusion, law is much more than a system of rules and punishments. It is a powerful instrument of social change that shapes the way people think, behave, and interact with one another. By setting clear standards and encouraging responsible behavior, laws help create a safer, fairer, and more orderly society. As demonstrated by the mandatory rear seat belt law and the stricter drunk driving amendments, legal reforms can change public attitudes, improve everyday habits, and ultimately save lives. These examples show that when laws are effectively implemented and supported by the public, they can bring about meaningful and lasting positive change. Therefore, law not only maintains order but also plays a vital role in building a more responsible and progressive society. Thank you.